a little bit after that cayenne pepper, Tabasco, jalapeno infused bold sloppy joes. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this heater at least plumbed up there and get going to make sure it works. And then we're gonna have a little fire out here, but I want to get this done so I can actually see what I'm doing. So let's see here. What I don't want is for this to scrape on the side of my truck all night. Let's see. I should probably put it out this way. And this 1,000-watt power station will be way more than enough to run all night. These heaters don't take a whole lot of power once they get up and going. I've got a 100% battery on that thing. I don't have the DC cord for this heater, so we're just going to be using the inverter off of this EcoFlow, but shouldn't have any problems running it. Oh.
Start heating.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to turn it all the way down to minimum. Alright. Alright, so this will take a while to heat up. I don't even hear the oil pump clicking yet, but it should be good once I close this tailgate. There we go. Oh my gosh. It is 6:30. And it's way darker out here than what I think you're seeing, but yeah, it's getting close to this old guy's bedtime. All right, gang, well, that is too bright, and that is going to wrap it up for me tonight. We got that heater going. I'll tell you guys, I might actually have to cut it off for a little bit because it is, the lowest setting is almost a little bit too warm. But other than that, guys, everything's working great. There's still cranes flying behind me. But anyway, we're gonna hit the bed. Got to get up in the morning, go to work. But yeah, loving the setup. Should be pretty nice for this winter once it finally gets cold. But I'm gonna get my clothes changed and we'll meet you guys up in the tent. All right, well, I don't think I'm gonna change clothes. As a matter of fact, I gotta get up so early. I'm just gonna keep these clothes on. But I think it's kind of cool. I have the opening, I have the front of the tent open right now, and y'all guys probably can't tell, but with my Devos light, I can see all out in front of me because it's too warm in here right now to completely close this off. It'll get cold enough tonight for me to get this heater dialed in a little bit better. But I think for right now, I'm gonna get a movie going and kind of enjoy this view. What do we have for snacks tonight? Let's see. Got Nutter Butter and a Chewy Dip granola bar. It's on. So let's see what we got going on in terms of movies to keep us busy tonight. Netflix, thanks for raising your price and giving us terrible movies. We got Run All Night or The Dark Tower. I think we're gonna go with The Dark Tower for tonight. So gang, I'm gonna do my thing, gonna lay down, get comfy, and we'll see you folks in the morning. Take care. Good morning, gang. It is 5:40, I believe, 5:42 a.m. Good morning. Overall, I slept pretty well. My truck's not exactly level, so that was kind of annoying. I kind of felt like I was rolling to one side all night long, and next time I'll definitely make sure I'm a little bit more level than what I was last night. Probably sleep a little bit better, but it got down to 41, so not crazy cold, but I did just cut the heater off when I woke up because it takes about a good 15-20 minutes for that thing to to cool down before I can put it in my truck. But in case anyone's curious on how much power, so remember I kept it on level 1 all night long, and that was more than enough for this heater. And we started out at 100% on that EcoFlow, and we are down to my heater's talking to me. We are down to 33% now. So that used, oh gosh, I don't know, it's too early to figure that out. 70%, so around 650, 700 watts to run all night long. It ran for about 12 hours. I cut it on yesterday around 5 p.m. and it's 5:30, 5:40, so good 12 hours. So if you run it a little bit hotter than that, you're gonna need a little bit more juice. So keep that in mind if you're trying to size a power station to a heater. But anyway, gang, yeah, I got some work to do up here, and then we're head downstairs and get camp packed away. So see you outside. We can do that. You can actually see this morning. Yeah, the exhaust is what I was worried about. The exhaust is plenty cooled down. Let's get some coffee. Oh, made really quick before I head up to deflate that mattress. Go. So yeah, as I'm sitting at 32% on that power station after running again that heater for a good 12 hours. This little coffee pot's using 500 watts, so that's why I say I think around 1,000 watt-hour power station, especially in the winter time, if you're running a heater, is about the minimum size that I would recommend, because as I finagle getting you on this tripod, because you do use a lot more power, I think, in the winter time. It takes a lot to stay warm, believe it or not. It's nice out here right now. Cold, quiet, perfect. All right, well, we ended up at 25% on the battery. That's one boiling cup of coffee and 12 hours of running a diesel heater. A little miscellaneous items, so that's not too bad.